Okay guys, hari ni kita nak try Amazfit Active 3 Premium untuk activity hiking. Okay, kita pilih hiking. So kita tengok balik data page, 3D data mode. So nak tengok dia punya battery consumption berapa banyak, and then nak tengok GPS accuracy dia. Okay, kita dah start our hiking journey.
Kilometers. Speed for the last 1 kilometer 3.3.
So kita nak try online map dia. Sampai. Sekejap.
You have walked 5 kilometers. Speed for the last 1 kilometer 3.
1 jam 42 minit 5 km. So dekat atas banyak sangat lebah. Kita turun balik. Okay, dah, kita dah finish our workout. Finish, kita kena hold dia lama.
Workout completed.
736 meter
You set a new personal record.
elevation.
Take a break. You earned it. During this workout, distance
9.67 km, speed 3 km per hour, 3 jam 12 minit. So ada training effect dekat sini, aerobic TE, anaerobic TE, semua dekat sini. Load of this workout, load workout pun ada. Recovery time pun dia ada bagi dekat sini. Lepas 3 jam bateri tinggal 81%. So 96 drop ke 81, lebih kurang 15% saja pakai bateri. Nice.